Hello and welcome to MILA, our comprehensive reporting platform dedicated to human resources. To connect to MILA, go to our website. At the top right of the screen, click on the HR reporting button. Then, enter your password associated with your account received by email. You do not have the option to change your password. Then, click on Sign In. Once logged in, you will be taken to the User Follow-up, the first button in the drop-down menu. You can now filter, search, and view your learners' training data in real time. Edit your reports through this monitoring interface presenting 25 monitoring criteria. 4 basic search criteria can be selected. The language taught, if your employees learn different languages. The package, optional, if your learners are enrolled in different packages. The company, optional, if you have, for example, several entities. The project duration. To see more data, check the desired criteria. Then, click on Search to update the table at the bottom of the page, and click on Export to XLS to generate an Excel table that will contain the criteria you have previously selected. Please note that when you export your Excel table, you have the option to export the details of the initial and current levels per user. In addition to exporting this report, you can also edit it, but this is only available when a specific language is selected. You can also check the box Hide Inactive Users in order to have the data on your employees who have a license still open. When you consult the table on MILA, you can view in the form of a graph the activities carried out. To do this, you will have to hover the mouse over the dark blue graph located in the column number of done activities. You will be able to view the activities performed. Customize your table by highlighting the data you care about. For example, for the column Total Time Digital Learning, the cell is orange if the value is inferior, superior, or equal to a desired value. Similarly, in the Level Progress column, a colored arrow indicates whether the user has progressed, regressed, or stagnated. Save time by saving your favorite settings according to your formatting, filters, and data criteria. Simply click on Save Current View by entering the name of the current view. This selection of criteria and the generated table will be saved in the drop-down list at the top of the General View page. The Administrative Documents interface is an intuitive and powerful interface for editing all reports and legal documents. Thanks to this interface, you will be able to edit administrative documents such as training certificates, pre-filled individual attendance sheets. In the first step, search for the user for whom you want to edit a document, by name, by company, by package, by language taught, or by period. Then, select it by checking the corresponding box. It is possible to select several users simultaneously. Step 2. Label the document in the name of the company. In the third step, select the document to be edited and the training methods concerned. In the fourth step, click on Edit. From the third button of the drop-down menu, you will find the Audit and Survey space, allowing you to have a summary of the questionnaires. The latter presents the results when a satisfaction questionnaire has been submitted to users of a language training course with 7 speaking. These results only appear if a questionnaire has been launched, or the synthesis of the initial audit questionnaires. You can view the results in real time, directly on the platform, or export them in Excel or PDF format. From the fourth button of the drop-down menu, find your coaching space. Tutor learners learning online. Take control of their training and personalize it. Use this to assign specific activities to one or more learners and add your own resources to their personal programs. This interface provides several functions. Assign digital learning platform activities to one or more users. Click on the plus button. When you assign an activity to a learner, you have the option to leave them a personalized message that will appear on their user platform in their messaging space. It is also possible to add an attachment or enter a URL address. In the Select Activities section, search for the desired activities by interest and difficulty of the document. Click on Search, and then select the desired activities by ticking the corresponding boxes. Finally, click on Add these activities to their program. Tutor learner training by checking the activities carried out on the digital learning platform. Click on Percentage of coached activities done. In the detailed report of the activities carried out section, you will be able to follow the activity of the learners on the digital learning platform. By clicking on the magnifying glass, you can access the details of the answers given by the learner in question. As with the other interfaces, to display more criteria, to get a specific list of users, check the data you want to display. You have the option to export the table in Excel format. You can also choose to download activities performed by user. From the fifth button of the drop-down menu, you can make sure at a glance that the training is meeting the objectives set through this management interface. These visual indicators will give you insight into whether or not your project is running smoothly. The HR account space allows you to bring together pre-existing groups in order to create an account with a tailor-made password. This space is not available by default, but can be selected as an option. Please note that groups must be previously existing in the group field on the user tracking. Here's how to create an account. Step 1. Click on Add an account. Step 2. Check if you want to create an administrator account. Step 3. Enter the desired account name. Step 4. Choose a password. Step 5. Confirm the password. Step 6. Select the groups that the account will have access to. Step 7. Create the account. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon on MILA.